welcome back to my channel for part 3 in my declutter series. This is a huge declutter. I will be downsizing my lifestyle and my life. I explain everything in part 1 in the beginning intro, so if you're curious of why I'm getting rid of so much, as well as why I even have so much makeup, and 3, what I will be doing with all of the products that are still in good condition and can be sanitized, make sure you check out my first declutter video, which is all about foundations, primers, and powders. I will link that in the description box. It'll be the first link you guys can click, as well as make sure you're subscribed and turn on post notifications and give this video a thumbs up. Today is all about blushes. This is my section of blushes. I'm going to pull everything out and go through each one of the products. I hope to downsize every section at least by half, if not more. My goal is to be able to fit all of my makeup in 2 drawers. I don't think it's going to happen this round, but for kind of a hoarder and also someone who reviews beauty products for a living, I mean, I'm going to do the best I can. So let's get started. Here are all of the blushes that I have in my makeup collection. If you watched my last one, you did see I kept 2 Hourglass palettes and also this Too Faced Natural Face palette. So I started with the palettes first because I wanted to see what I could get rid of in singles. Now I am going to include the Too Faced one in this video because I felt like I should have included it in this video because it was definitely more blushes than anything else. These are 3 blushes for me, and I'm gonna hopefully keep this, but I'm also just gonna remind myself I do still have my 3 Hourglass palettes that I did keep in my last declutter video. I'm gonna go through all this, kind of organize it a bit, and decide what I'm gonna keep and what I'm not going to keep. I have 52 blushes. This is not okay. I need to get rid of things starting from this bottom row. I'm gonna get rid of this Kogan Dough blusher. I just don't really use it. Get rid of this Onami bronzer. I don't really use it. Their Tamara wine. I don't need it. I have other ones I like more, so I'm gonna get rid of that. These Sisley Paris ones, I just don't reach for, really, to be honest. I love them when they came out, but they're very fragile. This one's really gorgeous. I'm gonna get rid of these because I think someone else will like them more. Although this orange one's really nice. Get rid of these 2. I'm maybe gonna keep this orange. Love this Charlotte Tilbury Beach Stick, so I'm gonna keep this. I'm gonna swatch it though, so I know as I go through. There's this Cheek to Cheek from Ilia. This is my favorite, and it is slightly different from the, oh dang it, it's very similar. Kind of lighter. You know what? Okay, I'm gonna let this one go. This is the Ilia one. I loved it. I used it quite a bit. It's their Cheek to Cheek, good one. And then I have the At Last, which I want to keep, so I'm gonna swatch that too. It's really pretty mauvey rose. I haven't used this. I'm gonna let that go from Pixie. I'm never getting rid of my Cloud Paints. These are my favorites. In fact, actually, let me swatch the Beam shade to make sure it's not too similar to that Sisley one that I want to keep. No, it's very different. So this is more pastel, and then this is more orange. So I'm keeping that. This is the Lila B Lovely. I love this cream blush. It's really, really pretty. Very similar to the Ilia one. I think I'm just going to keep this one then because it's one that I've used a little bit more. So I'm going to let go of this one that I just said I was going to keep. This is really new. This is from Well People. I'm going to keep this. I love cream blushes, even though I probably have something already like that. I feel like I should maybe get rid of this RMS Lip to Chic. It's just, the color's not that great. Like, I think it's a little old. I can't tell. I don't know. It's like, it's pretty, but I have so many similar things. So I'm gonna let this go. This is such a beauty. This is from the Estee Lauder Victoria Beckham collection. Oh, that's really similar to, what did I just keep? Crap. Okay, I'm keeping the Estee Lauder one because it's very special. I'm going to let go of this one, which was in Be Lovely. This is a really great one. This is a Kjær Weiss Joyful Blush. I've had this for a little bit. It's starting to be kind of chunky, so I think I'm going to let go of this. I'm going to pop the pan out and let go of the pan, but I'm going to keep the outer package in case I ever buy a refill. Go like this and pop that out. Moving along, I have some of these sticks. And you guys know I love stick products, but this I think is very similar to this, which is my Charlotte Tilbury that I wanted to keep. So I'm swatching that. I'm gonna swatch the Pixie. It's similar, but not different, and it's not, oh, I don't know. I don't know, guys. Let me swatch this one too. I just don't know. I don't think I'll wear this shade very often. I'm gonna let these go. These actually probably should have been in my highlights, but again, this is what happens when you have too many products. This is really beautiful. My First Aid Beauty Champagne. I love this one. So I'm gonna put this in my highlight collection. And then this is the like shimmery one. This is in the shade Rosé, and I just don't really like this one, so I'm gonna let this one go. This is my favorite blush from Milk Makeup because it's a color that I never thought I would wear, but I really love it. So I'm gonna keep it because I don't think I have anything else like that. Okay, moving into some powder blushes. I love the blushes from 100% Pure. They're just so smooth. However, I don't really love the shades I have. This one is a Mimosa. I used to love it, but as it's gotten older, it gets a little odd. So it's a little too pink for me right now. So I'm going to let this go. And then this one is in the shade Pretty Naked, which I still love. It's a really pretty soft naked blush, so I'm keeping that. This is from Natasha Denona. It's a few years old, so I'm going to pass this on because I never remember to use it. Here is my Eco Bella highlighting blush. I like it. It just hasn't been used, so I'm going to pass it on. I really want to keep, this is such a beautiful collection from Estee Lauder. I love when they do these limited edition. This is from Violet, or Violet. It just looks really lovely. You can use them separately, together, layered. It's so beautiful. Here are my blushes from Burt's Bees. I really love all of these. This one's really pretty. It's very similar to Pretty Naked though, I think from 100% Pure. No, this one's a little bit more bronzy. So I think I can justify keeping both. This pink is really pretty, and then this peach is really pretty. I think I'm going to keep the peach because I don't have anything like it, and I feel like I have quite a bit of things I want to keep in this shade range. But if you're looking for a clean, mainstream, affordable blush, check this one out from Burt's Bees. Okay, so this palette from Makeup Forever, I just never ended up getting to use it, but it's really beautiful, very pigmented. I think the blush shade is just not really my favorite, although I do love how it's looking right now. The highlight and the bronzer are so great too. It's a really good little cheek palette, but I do have so many others, so I think I'm gonna let this go. I completely forgot I even had this blush. This was a ride or die favorite, and it's because I have so many things I just forget about it. So this is Air Blush in Flesh and Fantasy. I feel like I need to pull this out again because I love it so much. And then this one is in Kink and Kisses. I don't know. I actually think I'm going to have to let both of these go because I have shades similar to it. But this is what happens. You forget about things when you have too much stuff. I'll let go of these It Cosmetics ones because unless you have the brush for it, which I do, but it's always dirty and I don't like traveling with it, it's really hard to use. But if you have the brush and you don't mind like always having it with that brush, it works so pretty. It's so good. Not very practical for every day. I've got my Charlotte Tilbury blush in the shade Sex on Fire, so I'm going to keep this because it's really new and I still love it. 3 blushes from Hourglass. This is the only one I think I'm going to keep because it is should I keep this or should I keep this one? Crap, I don't know what to do, guys. Okay, because I'm keeping the palettes, I'm gonna let these go. I cannot believe I'm doing this right now. This is one of my favorite clean brands, Kosas, and this is the new blush palette. It's really soft, really beautiful. That's why I let one of the Hourglass ones go because one of the shades was very similar, and it's probably why I'm going to end up letting go of this Jouer one because I feel like these 2 shades are very similar. So here is the Jouer one in Adore. This was like such a favorite of mine. Oh my gosh. Ugh. Okay, I'm gonna let this one go. To for sure keep this one from Jouer, which is my Flirt Blush Duo, because I feel like it's very pretty for spring. Go of this mauvier one that I just don't really reach for, which is in Coquette Blush Duo. Now we have this stuff. So I'm gonna actually let go of these Lancome macaroons because they're so cute and so good. Actually, I can't. I'm keeping this one. Maybe I'll only keep one. Yeah, I'll keep this one, which is in 02 Coral Whipped. I'll let go of this like pinky one. This used to be my go-to audition blush from MAC, which was Warm Soul. I feel like I have to keep it because it's so good. And then this one is from Make, and this is in Bisque. And I think I'm gonna let this one go. I have my palette from Too Faced, the Natural Face. This is really, really pretty. It's kind of heavy for traveling, but I do like the palette, and it's got a nice mirror, so I'm gonna keep this. I just wanna hold you. So there's all of my blushes right here, fitting right next to my bronzers, my highlights, and my foundations, primers, and powders. This makes me so happy. I'm condensing. I could probably even fit more stuff in here. You know what? I might actually squeeze everything down to one box. Okay, so all of my blushes now fit in one of these little boxes, and I have my palette right over here. So this way I will be able to go through my blushes. I want to keep it in this amount of space. If it gets overwhelming or if I find something I like more, I will switch things out, let go of old things, and put in new things that I am absolutely loving. Super happy with how I've condensed this. My goal is to maybe put one more, maybe these will be my loose eyeshadows up here, and then I can have something back there, and then that will get, like, that will be a lot of condensing. So far, so good. That's what I'm keeping in blushes. I hope you're enjoying my declutter series. This is number 3 in the series. Again, if you have any questions about why I'm doing this, why I'm being so extreme, and what I will be doing with products that are in still good condition and can be sanitized, make sure you watch my first declutter video with foundations, primers, and powders. I explain everything in that intro. If you're enjoying my declutter series, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and make sure you turn on that post notification. I upload multiple videos here a week, anywhere between 2, 3 to 4 times a week. Currently I'm doing 3 to 4, and if you want to see more declutter videos, make sure you subscribe and turn on post notifications, because I am decluttering my entire makeup collection. So thanks for watching till the end, and I hope my video helped you unwind, chill out, relax, de-stress, take your mind off of whatever it was you needed help taking your mind off of, and I'll see you guys back here for a new video very soon. Bye!